Hello, language learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Let's dive into some body parts idioms, their meanings, and how you might see them used in everyday situations. So, grab a pen and paper because you're in for a treat. Put your foot down, meaning to insist or demand. Situation: kids want to eat candy before dinner. Sentence: Dad had to put his foot down, no candy before dinner. Get a head start, meaning start before others to get an advantage. Situation: a school project is due in 2 weeks. Sentence: let's get a head start and begin our project today. Cross your fingers, meaning to hope for the best. Situation: waiting for the lottery numbers. Sentence: cross your fingers, we might win. Over my dead body, meaning absolutely not, over my objection. Situation: someone wants to borrow your favorite toy. Sentence: over my dead body, will you take my favorite toy? On the tip of my nose, meaning almost able to say or remember. Situation: forgetting an answer during a quiz. Sentence: the answer is on the tip of my nose. Lose your head, meaning to panic. Situation: the house is messy before guests arrive. Sentence: don't lose your head, we can clean up fast. Hand over fist, meaning quickly and in large amounts. Situation: saving a lot of money. Sentence: we've been saving money hand over fist. Off the top of my head, meaning without deep thought, quickly. Situation: asked to name 5 fruits. Sentence: off the top of my head, apple, banana, orange, grape, peach. Have a heart, meaning be compassionate. Situation: someone is upset. Sentence: come on, have a heart, listen to them. Two left feet, meaning to be clumsy, usually in dancing. Situation: Uncle Jim tries to dance at the wedding. Sentence: Uncle Jim has 2 left feet, but he's sure having fun. I hope these idioms are fun and make a lot of sense. That concludes our lesson on these insightful idioms involving body parts. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning.